of you who do not know who I am the bride's best friend. I've been best friends with Lulu since we were 14, and what I can say is I am very happy to be part of this beautiful day. Lulu has always been a very strong woman. She's always been very strong. I remember when we were in high school and she had her first abortion, on the same evening she was able to go out and party the night away in a nightclub, even getting herself a one-night stand, which for most of us was something we were not even familiar with. But because she's always been ahead of us, and she's always been the strong woman that makes things possible. I remember when we had to walk like for 15 miles to school when we were in high school, whether it was raining, whether it was hot, whether it was cold, but Lulu, being the problem solver that she is, she decided that she would date a taxi driver so that we could get a lift to go to school. And when we were in high school, our last year in high school, we were doing matric, and I remember we missed one of the exams, and Lulu decided that, being the good friend that she is, the good friend that she's always been to all of us, she decided that she would sleep with Mr. Kambule, who was our English teacher, so that we could all get our good marks. And when we finished high school, we all separated. I went to university because I had the best marks. Some of them went to college, and Lou went to Johannesburg to look for greener pastures. And when I didn't hear from Lulu, after years, I was convinced, like everyone, that she had become a prostitute, because we all knew that was her destiny. So it came as a surprise to me when I got an invite to come and be a bridesmaid at Lulu's wedding, because I was always convinced that I was the one who was supposed to get married first, but God decided otherwise. But what I've learned is you cannot decide anybody's destiny. I am so happy for you, my friend. I am so happy that you got a good man, because most people would look at the man that you are getting married to and think he would choose a good woman like me. But God decided that he would choose you. No, even though I'm here, I'm educated, I'm beautiful, I'm available, I've never had a child, I've never had an abortion, but he decided to choose you. So being a second hand doesn't mean you are a write-off. Look at my friend today, it's a happy day, she is happy, and I'm also happy for you. And I'd like to say congratulations, and I'd like to say to the groom that I'm also happy for you. If things don't work out between you and my best friend Lulu, I'll always be there for you. I will always be there for you. You are part of my family now. You are free to call me at any time. You can ask me for anything, absolutely anything that you need. I'll be there to give it to you, because if you are married to my friend, in our culture, it's the same thing as being married to me. So whatever you need, I'll always be there for you. Congratulations, Lulu, my friend. I wish you all the best.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.